my experience around Kobe. I knew he was good at basketball. We all knew that. But being able to spend time with Kobe in the Olympics in China, first of all, you thought you was a star. You thought you were famous until you went to China with Kobe.
Man.
And nobody gave a about you. But this is when I knew it was a separation between Kobe and I. All right? Because I'm like a little kid. Anywhere Kobe go, I'm trying to go if he want me to go, right? This is one of my favorite players. We in the Olympic Village. You know what I mean? Because Cole wanted to make sure that we touched the people. He wanted to make sure that we wasn't separated from the other athletes. So I'm walking with Cole through the Olympic Village, and this is when I realized he was at a different level than I. This mother could speak 9 different languages. He spoke to everybody in their native tongue.
That's crazy.
I'm struggling with English in this mother. I'm trying to learn how to pronounce my words all the way through. Bro, I'm sitting there, I'm like, you can speak this language too? There's certain guys, there's certain people that you be around that when you around them, you become the photographer.
Man.
You become photographer in the security. That was me with Kobe. I'm like, I'll take a picture of all y'all.